Hello, FCS 2250 computer application students. Me again, Mr. Lang. Hey, we're in Excel section 1, our project exam 1. Let's go ahead and get after it. What do you say? I'm going to go ahead and get full screen here. I'm going to go ahead and choose next here. What do we got? 9 things to do. Let's get her done. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my answer key. See what we got to do here. And we got to select the range A1 through G1. A1. I need the white plus, so I'm going to click off it again, A1 through G1, and we need to merge and center that. That way could probably put a nice title right there. I'll hit my save key, and I will move on to 2 of 9. We're going to go ahead and select the range B2 through C2. So B2 through C2. All right, now we're going to use the fill handle. That is that right there. This is to select. This is to use the fill handle. And we're going to drag through F2. All right, so we'll drop it there. And we can then see our years because it knew year 1 and 2. Well, sequential 3, 4, and 5. All right, we've done that. We'll hit our save key. We are saved. I'm going to go and jump into 3 of 9. Type the title Sales Forecast in A1. So we came back to that Sales Forecast. And with that, I always do that for some reason. Hey, it fixed it for me. Thank you for doing that. I always capitalize. When I capitalize the F, I'll capitalize the next letter. Got to let go of that shift key. So Sales Forecast. And I missed an E, and that will get me for it. So I want to make sure I definitely get the right information in there. We'll check that. All right, so sales forecasting, and you can see how that is nice and centered when we use that merge and center a couple directions ago. So I think we're all right there. And we'll go ahead and hit our save key. We are saved. We'll choose next. Change the alignment of the range B2 through G2 and center it. So B2 through G2, and we'll center align that. There we go. Let's go ahead and hit our save key, and we'll choose next. We're going to type 12,500 in cell B3, and then copy the value into the range C3 through F3. All right, so we'll start with B3 right there, 12,500. Press my enter key. I'm now going to copy that value, so I bet you we're going to click on that. We're going to click the fill handle in cell B3. Well, wait a minute. Did I put that in the wrong spot? I did. I'm going to Control X that and Control V there. I needed to put that 1250 here, so I just cut it from there, put it in year 2. All right, in cell B3. Oh my gosh, Mr. Lang. Nope, Control Z. I had it right the first time. All right, I'm going to go ahead. Oh, now I'm pressing escape key to get out of full screen. Holy cow. Normally in Excel, if you press escape, it will escape you out of kind of what you were doing there. And I don't know why my 1250 is... There we go. All right. My goodness. Now we're going to use the fill handle, and we're going to hold down the left mouse button, drag it to F3, and then release it. Man, we should have had that done a while ago. There we go. 1250 straight across. We got it. Let's go ahead and hit our save key for that. We are saved. I'm going to close the answer key there. And after that heartfelt, fun-filled fill handle there, we're moving on to the next. All right. So we're going to enter a formula in cell F5. So we'll go down to F5. We need a formula there, so we're going to type in equals. Now you can type or you can press E5, so I'm going to click in cell E5. All right, so E5 times Shift 8 on my keyboard, 1.03, and I'll press my enter key, and we have a new formula put in there. We'll hit our save key. We are saved, and we will choose next. We're on 7 of 9. We're going to use the sum function. Very nice. Let me move this a little bit. We're in B7. Playing some Battleship here. Auto sum, which is located right there. But we have that behind it. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to close that, you guys, because I'm going to be in my B7. I'm going to go to my auto sum. I'm going to go ahead and choose sum here. As I click that down arrow there, it's looking what information do you want me to add up. So we're going to add up the range B3 through B6. So I'm just going to double check that B3 through B6. Yep, that's good. I'm going to go ahead and check that. Now we're going to copy that from B7 to the range C7 through F7. So I'm just going to use my fill handle there and drag across that location right there. It uses, again, that fill handle. Now if I double click that, that is checking the sum of that. This is checking the sum of that. Love the fill handle. Use it all the time. All right, we're moving to 8 of 9. Apply the accounting format to range B3 through G7. All right, all of this. The accounting number format will go up to the number. General, we'll click this down arrow here. Oh, my bad, that number right there, general there, and we'll go down to accounting. So we'll put in some dollar signs for us, and we'll hit our save button there. We're saved. We have one last direction to do. Display the cell formulas in the worksheet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on View, and we are going to look for the Show Formulas, and I'm in the wrong area. My bad. I'm going to go to Formulas, now Show Formulas. That way we can see that we have all of our sums. To add that up, we had the one formula that we created there, the rest of our sums there. I'll hit my Save key there, and we'll check our answer, and insert Jeopardy theme music here. See how we did? Great job, everyone. All right. Another project exam complete. I'll see you in section 2 of Excel. Awesome. Thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. Appreciate you being my students. And as always, be kind.